Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you, and this one is a Shabby Grungy TN size journal, and I made this using a kit from MyPorchPrints, which is actually called a Shabby Grungy Traveller's Notebook Kit. I'll try and remember and link that below. So like I said, it's a traveller's notebook size, so that measures 8¼ by 4½. It has one signature, 40 pages front and back, and it will be listed in my shop if you're interested, and you can find the link to that below as well. So I've used one of the background papers because you get, I can't remember how many pages, I think there's a good 10 traveller's notebook size pages, plus you get like full size background papers that you can use as well. So I've used that, one of them for the cover, done some stitching around, and then here I've just made a simple topper. If you watched some of my videos yesterday, I was talking about these being like the leftovers from cutting out some ovals on some brown packaging paper, so I've used that, popped this beauty behind it, popped the word journal on there. We've got a Tim Holtz flower die and a butterfly, and they are from ARTYmaze. Trying to remember what kit that is, I can't remember because I've got so much now just printed out and they're all muddled up. Okay, so we've got eyelets and string as a closure, and I'm just going to make sure that I am in frame here. I am. So this is one of the pages from the Shabby Grungy kit from MyPorchPrints. Absolutely love it, and I do think it comes in a full size as well, if I remember correctly. So that's one page there. Then I've used some of the background pages and made some pockets. I've got loads of these ovals punched out, not punched out, they're die cuts. So I backed it onto some paper from the Shabby Grungy kit, popped a butterfly on, that's from ARTYmaze. Got some bling on here as well, the word thankful, that's from ARTYmaze, and that is from the Build a Cluster, the first kit. So inside the pocket we've got a coffee dyed stenciled tag, and then we have this is a freebie from ARTYmaze, and then this is from, I don't know if that's from the kit because I used another kit from MyPorchPrints, and I think it's called Rose Garden, something like that, Rose Garden journal kit, journal cards it is, sorry. So I used that as well, so I'm not sure if that's from that one or not. Then here we've got a lace pocket. Inside there we have a postcard from the Rose Garden kit, and then we have some ephemera here from the old design shop. And excuse my inky fingers, I've been inking a lot today. Then here we have another pocket. We've got some lace trim on here. We've got a double heart, and this is some of the paper from the Shabby Grungy kit. And we've got a little tag. That is not from the kit, that's a freebie from my coffee shop, so you can find the link to that below as well. So they go in there. Then yesterday I made, not these ones, but I made tag ephemera holders. So I will pop the link, the video link at the end of the screen if you want to go and check that out if you haven't already. So this is just using 2 tags, and these tags are from the Build a Cluster tag kit from ARTYmaze. And then in the back we have got that, but yeah, I have got a video on how I made them. So let's get that in there. And a little bit tight. Well, it's always when you're on camera, isn't it? Always, always, always. Little label there from ARTYmaze. And then here we've just got a little double journal card. That is from the Grungy, the Shabby Grungy kit from MyPorchPrints. That goes like that. Obviously that's just paper clipped on there, and that's all popping out now. Let's start again with that. There we go. So this paper here is from the old design shop. That is from, it's a digital print, and I can't remember where it's from. I've had it a long time. It's Italian Music Printables, so if you search that up you may find it. You get these pockets with the Shabby Grungy kit. and again that's a freebie from my coffee shop. And this is from, it's either from the Shabby Grungy Kit or the Rose Garden journal card kit from MyPorchPrints, and the same with that. Got coffee dyed papers, another TN page from the kit. Excuse me. You get these, you get 2 triple pockets with the Shabby Grungy Kit, so that's one of them. The tag here is from ARTYmaze, Build a Cluster Tag Kit, and that is from the Shabby Grungy Kit. And then these again are from the Shabby Grungy Kit, so we've got 2 little tags in there. Here we've got an envelope flip out, and inside there, well, I've just used one of the journal cards to make a pocket, and as you can see, a stitch around the envelope. I think I've showed you how to do these or something similar, easy peasy. Then here, this is some paper from the Shabby Grungy Kit, and it's the full size like the full size pages. And then we've got some journal cards there from the kit, just pop them in there. And then here, obviously the envelope creates a tuck. We have a stenciled coffee dyed tag, and this journal card that I had in my stash, centre of the signature, some more journal space, another pocket here, again another oval butterfly, the word respect, and a postcard that is from the Rose Garden kit from MyPorchPrints. And then this, it's either like Christie Art Designs or Cameo Shop, I think. Again, I've had them in my digital stash for a while. The other side of the TN page, another little envelope flip here, popped on one of the journal cards there. Then we've got a little journal card inside there. And then here we have a little pocket with some lace, journal card, and another journal card there. Then here again we've got another stenciled coffee dyed tag, and another journal card. Another pocket, double hearts here, some lace trim. That's a freebie from my coffee shop, and that is from the Rose Garden journal card kit from MyPorchPrints. And then a little tag there. We've got a pocket here. I thought that was a little mark on there, but it's not. It's actually on the print. Stenciled tag, pocket from the kit. That's another freebie from my shop. You get 4 of them on one sheet, and another little floral tag. That is from the Rose Garden kit. Here's some music paper, and this is a flip with another one of these. So you got lots of journal space there. And then this is just like similar to the other one with just different ephemera inside. Like I said, I will link my video at the end of the screen. And that just goes around like so. And in the back here, I've just popped on parcel post. That's from ARTYmaze's Oddment Kit. Little tag, little journal card. Yeah, everything's just like not playing properly because I'm on a video. There we go. Let's see if this one goes in. Maybe I should have put this one in first. There we go. Okay. I'm just a little bit fussy about how I put them in. There we go. Okay. So a paper clip goes on here, and that just slides on there. And then here, it's actually opened here, but there's nothing inside there. So this, I was going to make an envelope and then change my mind. And I popped the oval die through that. Then I put a window in. Got a butterfly from ARTYmaze. The word is from ARTYmaze. And then we've just got a big tag in there as well. So I'll have to lift that up. And that goes in there. but you have got like additional tuck space there. Then here we have another lacy pocket journal card from the Shabby Grungy kit, and then this is from this is from the Old Design Shop, and that goes in there. Then here is the other triple pocket. So inside there we've got a tag that's from ARTYmaze. That's the Builder Cluster tag kit. This is from the Shabby Grungy kit. Now I did not use like everything in that kit. There was still so much more I could have used. And then these two little tags there, and that is the back. Just need to wipe that down for the fluffy bits, the fluffy bits that have stuck onto that. So that is the journal. Like I said, this will be for sale in my shop. The links, you'll find lots of links below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.